Today I want to walk through the ProVia Aspect Vinyl Window Series. The Aspect series features a full family of products, everything from double hungs, double sliding windows, triple sliding windows, casements, awnings, picture windows, and even bows and bays. The Aspect product family has everything you'll ever want and need for your home. The Aspect features three solid colors: white, beige, and sandstone. The window is also 100% virgin vinyl and features our 12-point fusion welded technology. So both the frames and the sashes are welded, so it gives you a perfectly square fit window every single time. One of the many things that makes the Aspect window unique is the sill dam. On many vinyl windows, the sill dams open at the bottom. But with our manufacturing technology, we're able to telescope the sill dam right into the frame so it will never separate, and it will also keep bugs, pollen, dirt, air, and water outside the window, right where it belongs. The window also comes with our compound mitered slope sill. So when rain hits the window, the water drains off naturally away from the house. The frames and the sashes come with the option of being foam filled. The window sashes also come standard with ProVia's unique energy reinforcement. And the energy reinforcement is much less conductive than metal, and it's as strong as fiberglass. As you take a closer look at the window, you'll notice the lift rail is extruded right into the window. So it makes the lift rail more durable. And most importantly, it makes the window easy to operate. The window also features our constant force balance system, which makes the window sashes both easy to raise and to lower. When we raise the sash, you'll notice these night latches that pop out, and they allow you to vent the window a few inches with some added security. When we go to unlock the window like I've done, you'll notice the heavy-duty zinc die-cast locks. The dual locks are standard at 24 inches and wider. To tilt the window in, you simply unlock the window, raise the sash above the sill dam, and press the tilt latches towards the locks. When we go to tilt the sashes in, the window actually has a safety feature built in that locks the sashes in place so they don't fall out when you're tilting them in. And as we look inside the window, you'll notice lots of weather stripping and bulb seals. This helps give the window a tight fit and keeps the air and water outside the window, again, right where it belongs. The Aspect window also features a full interlock right here and here. So when the window's locked, the interlock draws the window together, giving it a tight fit. That also helps keep Mother Nature out and also gives the window some added security. Now, as we turn the window around, you'll notice this beautiful bevel on the exterior of the window. It looks like the window belongs in your home. As we move into the glass system, the Aspect comes standard with super spacer foam technology. There are several different types of spacers out there, including aluminum spacers, tin-plated spacers, and stainless steel spacers. But the super spacer technology outperforms them all. And by Zen making super spacer glazing standard, the outside edges of the glass are going to be much warmer, and that means less chance of condensation on those cold mornings. And conversely, during the summertime, it also keeps the outer edges at a consistent temperature, which makes the window much more energy efficient. Now, there are a number of glass packages available, including dual glass, triple glass, sound dampening glass, even laminated glass. Because we have a different high-performance glass design specifically for your climate, ask your local Zen representative what's the best glass package for your area. The Aspect window comes standard with a half screen with fiberglass mesh. The screen slides up and down really easily, and it comes out very simply as well. The window comes standard with our double lifetime warranty, which includes a lifetime warranty on the vinyl, all the parts and pieces of the window, seal failure, Even glass breakage is included. So if a ball goes through the window, that's 100% covered. Now, when we talk about the warranty, something that's unique and special to Zen Windows is this. Of course, our product warranty is lifetime, like I mentioned, but we also include a lifetime labor warranty. So 3 years, 5 years, 10 years down the road, if something happens, you just call us up and we're going to come out and fix it for free. Most companies will offer a year or two labor warranty, and there's nothing wrong with this. But at Zen Windows, our philosophy is this. If we work together, you should only have to pay once. You shouldn't have to pay for service down the road. And when the time comes to sell the house, both the product and labor warranty are also fully transferable, so the new homeowner gets the same great warranty you enjoyed. Finally, the Aspect has a multitude of options that can be customized and will give you the exact look, feel, and appearance you're wanting for your home.